Cloudbet, the crypto sportsbook that sits on the soft side of every crossbook arb in Claw Arbs. Pre-installed, no calibration, just credentials and you are live. Click the Cloudbet venue, building on the arena to open its panel. Cloudbet is a crypto-first sportsbook. It serves the world outside the United States, accepts stablecoins, and ships odds over a REST poll feed instead of a WebSocket. That is fine. The poll loop is fast enough to keep the crossbook engine fed. Three steps to live. Credentials, enable, done. Cloudbet comes pre-installed, so there is no calibration step. The setup guide bar across the top of the panel walks you through each one. Credentials, the first stop for any new venue. One field, your Cloudbet API key, a long token string that starts with IJ. Encrypted and stored locally on this machine, never sent to our servers, and the same key covers both the odds feed and bet placement. If you do not have an API key yet, click How to get your credentials. The in-app guide spells out the exact menu path on the Cloudbet site. Click, the guide opens with the steps and the gotchas. Step 1, log in to cloudbet.com. Step 2, click your profile icon, then Preferences. Step 3, find the API key row and click Generate Key. Step 4, copy the long token string. It is shown only once, so save it before you close the page. Two gotchas in the Amber callout. First, you need at least €10 equivalent deposited before the Generate button activates. Second, and this is the one that bites people, use the Preferences API key page. Do not use the Affiliate API key. The Affiliate key returns cached stale odds and silently breaks the sharp feed. Got it? Close the guide. There is also a per-field warning, hint, right under the API key input. The same affiliate versus trading reminder, in shorter form, right where the mistake usually happens. Settings, where you pick the stablecoin you want to denominate balances and stakes in. Currency picker, USD, USD, DAI, and US dollar. USD and USD are the standard picks. All four are treated one-to-one with US dollar inside Claw Arbs since they are USD-pegged stablecoins. Whatever ticker you pick here, the bank panel converts everything back to your dashboard reporting currency. So balances and profit and loss show up in one consistent unit across every venue. Live tab, where you see the odds feed working in real time. Tracked matches on top, refreshing on the REST poll cycle. Each row shows the match name, the league, the kickoff time, and the live decimal odds for every market the engine is watching. Cloudbet covers the bread and butter sports markets. Soccer 1x2, soccer over-under totals, soccer both teams to score, and tennis moneyline. That is exactly the set of market types the crossbook engine knows how to compare against the prediction market exchanges. One thing to keep in mind about Cloudbet pricing. It quotes decimal odds. 1.95 means a winning $1 bet pays $1.95 back, profit 95 cents. Different from Kalshi, which prices in cents from 0 to 100, and different from Polymarket, which prices in probability from 0 to 1. Claw Arbs converts everything to a common probability space before checking for an edge, so you never have to do the math by hand. Close the panel. Cloudbet plus an exchange is the classic crossbook arb in Claw Arbs. Cloudbet is the soft side. Kalshi or Polymarket is the sharp side. The crossbook engine watches both prices, and an agent fires the moment they disagree by more than your minimum edge. Soccer 1x2, totals, both teams to score, tennis moneyline. Every one of these markets becomes a candidate the moment Cloudbet is connected, and an exchange is connected next to it. That is Cloudbet end-to-end. Pre-installed, rest decimal odds, crypto stablecoin currency, and the soft side of the crossbook engine. Next up, BetInAsia are pre-installed sharp.